Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2025 RAM ProMaster? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. .6-liter underhood fuses. The 2025 RAM ProMaster 3.6-liter engine's underhood fuse box houses fuse for critical systems like the electronic stability control, ESC pump starter, relay engine cooling, fan passenger compartment blower, and various engine control modules. Front power distribution center, additional fuses. Battery vehicle, EV, underhood fuses. The 2025 RAM ProMaster battery electric vehicle's underhood fuse box manages critical electrical components, including high voltage systems and power distribution units. Front power distribution center, additional fuses. .6-liter interior fuses. The 2025 RAM ProMaster 3.6 liters interior fuse box, integrated into the body control module under the driver's side instrument panel, manages circuits for interior features like lighting, power outlets, and infotainment systems. Electric vehicle, EV, interior fuses. 2025 RAM ProMaster. Electric vehicle's interior fuse box manages circuits for essential cabin functions, such as interior lighting, infotainment systems, and power accessories. .6-liter right central pillar fuses. The 2025 RAM ProMaster electric vehicle, EV, features an interior fuse box that manages electrical circuits for interior systems such as lighting, infotainment, and climate control. It includes fuses for components like the 12-volt power outlets, interior lighting, and the body control module. Blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.